Hello, everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we have a super fun and really simple lesson, especially for all of our second baccalaureate English students. We are going to learn exactly how to write a cause and effect essay.
So, want to write a really great essay? I know, sometimes writing can feel a bit scary or difficult, but hey, don't worry at all. By the end of our short time together, putting together your essay is going to feel so easy. Let's just dive right in, shall we? All right, first things first, let's talk about the big idea here. What exactly is cause and effect? Well, we're basically just looking at a problem from two different angles. First, we ask, why does this happen? Those are your causes. Then we look at what happens next because of it, and those are your effects. Really, it's just that simple. To build our essay, we're going to use a very simple blueprint. Think of it like building a house. There are four main parts here. Part 1 is the introduction. Part 2 is the causes. Part 3 is the effects. And finally, Part 4 is the conclusion. Let's take a closer look at each one of these steps. Okay, step number 1, the introduction. Our main goal here is just to introduce the topic to your reader. We usually start this off with a short hook. Now, a hook is exactly what it sounds like. It's a super interesting sentence designed to catch the reader's attention and really make them want to read more of your awesome work. Moving right along to step 2, which is causes. Let's say our topic is about smartphones. This is where we explain why a problem happens. A great way to start this paragraph is just by saying, there are several causes. From there, you just give 2 causes and provide a nice, clear example for each one. Next up is step number 3, effects. You know, a problem might lead to a tired student or maybe a low grade. This step is all about showing what happens because of the problem. You can easily start this part by writing, these lead to. And just like before, give 2 effects and include examples to make your point crystal clear. And that brings us to step 4, the conclusion. In your conclusion, you want to quickly summarize those causes and effects we just talked about. But here is the absolutely crucial part, okay? You must suggest solutions. How do we actually fix this problem? This is where you get to tell the reader your great ideas. Now, a really important trick is knowing how to connect all these ideas together using linking words. Think of these as your building tools. For causes, we can use phrases like due to or because of. And for effects, we can use as a result or therefore. These words act like a little bridge connecting your sentences smoothly. So let's see how all of this actually comes together in practice. Let's read this short, complete example together slowly. Smartphone addiction has many causes, such as social media and boredom. As a result, sleep and grades suffer. Therefore, we must set daily screen time limits. Do you see how perfectly that flows? We've got our causes, our effects, our linking words, and a solution, all fitting perfectly into one short story. Before we wrap up, we absolutely need to talk about the golden rule of formatting. Please always remember this. Write 1 paragraph for your causes and then write 1 completely separate paragraph for your effects. You've got to keep them apart. And of course, always end your essay with clear, actionable solutions. You guys did a fantastic job today learning this structure. Now you have all the tools you need to write a really clear cause and effect essay in English. I'm so proud of the progress we're making. So here's my final question for you. What problem will you solve in your next essay? Go ahead, grab your pen, use these 4 simple steps, and start writing. You can totally do this.